text, call the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and it just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade. But I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you love me. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. But honestly, I can't remember if you love me. Or maybe I'm just feeling lonely, I don't know. Just let her go. She got herself a guy, and he's good.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
she said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called the cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me and you're lonely. I guess I let her go, never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough, and maybe time will make you fade. But I don't know if I'm ready to just let you go away, like my friends think I should. Cause what if I just wanna be with you? I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. Honestly, I can't remember if you love me, but maybe I'm just feeling lonely. I don't know. Just let it go. Gotta tell the guy, ain't he good? And do things. Everything she wanted, packed behind the pretty face. But I kinda hope he breaks her heart. Pieces and let me pick them all back up. We're back together. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. Cause what if you should really be with me? I wonder what the hell you didn't see. But honestly, I can't remember if I loved you, but it feels like I did when I think about you now, 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 now. What if I just wanna be with you?